We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Show them. Yeah. Change the station with a new shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jaclyn here, back with a new video. And today we are going to be getting into this look right here. This look is a recreation of a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is mglashes. I'm gonna have a picture pop up in the cards pop up on the screen. I saw this look and I was like, yo, I want to recreate that, and it was lit. So yeah, so when I upload this, y'all share this video, make sure y'all tag her. I'm gonna leave her Instagram in the description box, and we're gonna just get started to this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. Before we even get into this video, click that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Alright, so we're gonna get into this video, and yeah. Okay guys, first I'm gonna prime my eyes with my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn hair palette, and I'm gonna start off with this in my crease. And this is the e.l.f.'s 205 brush, the Precision. Is it Precision? I think it's Precision collection, brush collection. So now we're gonna go back into the Jaclyn hair palette again, and we're gonna touch this orange shade right here and put that in the crease as well.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here. It's like a burgundy wine color to me, and I'm gonna put that in the outer V.
Murder,
go crazy, berserker.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Okay, now I'm gonna cut my crease with my concealer. Yeah, I know this is like my favorite technique. This is like my favorite technique. It really gets it really clean and really precise, and it just makes the eyes pop.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit.
Okay, I'm gonna go back into that wine shade, and I'm gonna just basically diffuse the concealer because we don't want no harsh lines. We don't do no harsh lines over here. Okay.
Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Bhcosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded palette, and I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade right here.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy.
Make my crease a little bit more sharper. I'm gonna go back into this orange shade right here. I'm gonna mix this yellow shade in this palette right here.
I killed it, it's murder.
I'm gonna put on some winged eyeliner, and this might take a while because it's been a while since I wore winged eyeliner, so yeah, just pray for me, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna be showing y'all my favorite combination, foundation combination I've been using lately for the past couple of days. So I use my Fenty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I love this stuff. I just love it. It's so good. And you don't need a lot. I catch myself really ODing like with the primer. But it's cold outside. We are in our heat wave.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
I use my wow. I use my e.l.f. Prep and Reverse stick.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I killed it.
I killed it, it's murder.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit.
Smash for the clout, dash, I'm out, bashing for the clout. TTGT for the clout, oh, how about?
Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
Hey guys, you made it to the end of this video. If you would like to see how I got my two slick buns and how I laid down these edges, I will definitely link that video down in the description box and have it pop up in the cards. Thank you so much for watching. I like this look. I really like this look. I really truly like this look. I hope you guys like it as well. If you recreate it, please tag me. And as well as, don't forget to follow my social medias. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you liked it. If you loved it, leave me a nice sweet comment down below. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to click the notification button so you can get notified every time I upload. Because I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss no videos, and I don't want you missing my videos because that's not how it's supposed to go down. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to get into some slow-mos. And it's going to be lit. See you guys in the next video. Later.
Go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder. Go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder. Go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them.